So I got this 2012 Ford SE and having a little problem with the no crank, no start. I have to fight with this every day when I get in the car. Either crank it 5 times or something, probably more than that. Try to fight it for 10 minutes, it won't start. But I read something that if you clean up the battery terminal, it should fix the issue, so I'm gonna try it. So here's the negative terminal that doesn't really have any contact because of the paint, so I'm gonna clean that up. And I went ahead and got another negative terminal actually attached to the motor, and I'm gonna put it in the same spot just to clean it up. Alright, so I put a new ground wire onto the motor, and I sand down the negative wire from the chassis, so hopefully this will start it up. Hopefully that's an easy fix. Let's just wait until the key is registered. Maybe that's the point. We'll see. Okay, sweet.